Hey, Fred, careful with that giant claw machine. I promise I'll explain in a second. But first, let me ask you something. Have you ever actually known someone who's won one of those fill out our survey to win a prize contests? No, me neither. Well, that's because it's the marketing equivalent of leaving milk out for Santa. No one's buying it. So let's change that. Welcome to PlaySkool, where solving business challenges is all fun and games, literally. This week, we're tackling the age-old problem of getting customers to fill out surveys. So if you're looking to build your marketing database, get valuable feedback, and increase repeat custom, then keep watching. To set the scene, let's step into a coffee shop. So let me get this right. That's one medium latte with oat milk and an extra shot. Coming right up. Oh, what's your name? Oh, it's Damien. They never spell my name right. Here's the thing. After customers have been quizzed on their coffee, milk, and size preferences, it's a tough ask to get them to fill out a feedback survey or join your mailing list. So here's how it could work. Hey, want to win a free coffee next time? Scan this and grab a prize. Your customer scans with their phone the QR code displayed on the server's tablet, and the game loads up. They click enter, fill in their contact information, and then they play to see what they win. Let's wind back a bit. What's special here is that the server generated a unique QR code that gave one gameplay only. Now the customer has filled in their details, perhaps opted into the marketing list, and even has an offer incentivizing their next visit. And in this example, it's a claw game, but BeeLiked offers over 20 customizable game types to match your brand and audience. And just like that, happy customers, winning rewards, valuable marketing data collected, and at the end of the game, you can encourage them to enter your monthly sweepstakes by completing a quick questionnaire. No awkward begging required. And that's all there is to it. Oh, and before I go, if you'd like to learn how to set up your own game with BeeLiked, you can check out our tutorial at beeliked.com/PlaySkool or get in touch with our sales team. Visit BeeLiked.com today to discover how gamified incentives can grow your business, whether you're ready to DIY or prefer our done-for-you service. We'll help you create experiences that delight your audience. Be creative, be engaging, be liked.